Is gold. Gold also is now in a correction, no question. The only question is on which scale. Now, I presented this as a one alternative, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that is correct, we could see 3,700 coming, which means that it'll go back to the 50 moving average on the daily, and it's going to hang around here for a good few months. Okay, because the correction is on a much higher scale than just these small corrections that we have seen here. Okay, so that is definitely an open question right now. But there is a possibility, as I'm going to show you here, in terms of the cash, the spot. So that's the alternative that we just examined, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nearly perfect here, sending it lower to correct. But as I explained in recent videos, it is quite possible that the correction that we are now seeing is going to relate only to this, because this is going to be a 1, 2, or whichever way you look at it. The correction will not go back to the fourth wave level, because it is on a smaller scale. Okay, it's on a smaller scale. I think that let's have a look at silver. Silver stands a chance of really helping us here. And I emphasize again that I think we have 5-leg run complete right here. Yeah, if you go with bits and pieces inside here. And now we're in a fourth wave that could relate to the second wave here. That means we still have a huge leg up, a leg that will resemble what we have seen here. And that's going to go on for about a month before we can start talking about a major correction setting in. Okay, I'm going to break to the hourly, and you will see why this argument might actually end up being the right one, supporting the right wave count. This is a 1, 2, and you can see here that the correction started and it went back to the top, and now it's just going sideways here. Okay, that's sign of strength. That sign of strength. I think that if it breaks this level on the cash, if it closes under 46, in my mind, that's an important message. That's a message that the correction is going to be extensive. Okay, closing under 46. Closing under 48 briefly, no major news as far as I'm concerned, because it'll still be around here, which is perfectly normal in relationship to the small correction that we have seen here. Not needing to go all the way to close under 48, all the better. If it just hangs around here, well, we got it. This is an extremely strong situation, and the market is signaling a small-scale fourth wave is in process, and prepare for the fifth. But one thing I would tell you, that if the longs are lucky, and we're going to see a tight correction here, and then we have that, if you like, another vertical move here, the fifth leg. By the time we finish the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you'd better take action to protect your profits. Yes, you better take action, because the market at that point would definitely be not just stretch, it will be really crazy. It will be a vertical move almost of months, and you definitely want to protect yourself. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. 46, as far as I can see here on the spot chart here, is very, very important. As I said, it closes under that. It tells you, no, we are going for a correction that could see it plunging back to 40. Yeah, could even go back to 40, and that's going to take months. Yeah, it's the big one. It's the big correction that I was talking about in previous videos, you remember? But frankly, at this stage, I don't think this is coming. If you ask me, if you press me on this, I don't think this is coming. Somehow, when I look at XAO and I look at AGY, I look at other funds, major funds of miners, I don't think this is coming now. I think the market is on a sprint run. It's still got a lot going for it. I mean, here the power is fully there. I have not seen signs of CS exhaustion or whatever. Going by the momentum here can be very misleading. Yeah. Because momentum will tell you it's overbought, yeah, but when you go into an exponential move, surely it's going to show you an overbought reading. That doesn't immediately mean you have to go and liquidate your position. Be on alert, yes. Watch support levels, yes. You get the point.